to ask the Scottish Government how many transgender prisoners have had their criminal records erased following a self-identification process and changing of their birth name.
Cabinet Secretary Angela Constance.
Let me be clear, a change of name does not, under any circumstances, alter a person's criminal record. All criminal records are maintained in accordance with established retention and sharing protocols and remain fully accessible to the justice system, including for disclosure in court proceedings where appropriate. Police Scotland has acknowledged an error in one case reported in the media and acknowledges this should not have occurred. I have sought and received assurances from Police Scotland that this was an isolated incident and not reflective of broader issues in their recording practices. I have also asked Police Scotland to ensure that steps will be taken to review systems and procedures in light of the reported case.
Megan Gallagher.
Presiding Officer, this should not have happened in the first place. We're talking about convicted criminals, some of them violent or sexual offenders, whose records could, at any point, be obscured through self-identification and a legal name change. The Cabinet Secretary needs to provide the clarity, and I'm pleased that she has done in her original response today, because we cannot have further instances of this happening in the future. We need to ensure that victims, women's groups and the wider public have faith in the justice system when the government is looking at these issues, because we need to know if there have been instances when authorities have missed a person's criminal record because they've changed their gender. So can I ask the Cabinet Secretary on this instance, can she be absolutely sure that this was an isolated instance, and is she sure that we will not be returning back to the Chamber to hear of any more of these instances again in the future?
Cabinet Secretary.
Presiding Officer, I thank Ms Gallagher for her question, and as Police Scotland have clearly stated, this should not have happened. And it is crucial to be very clear that a person's gender identity or legal gender status, or indeed their name, does not in any way prevent disclosure of relevant criminal information. And this case, in terms of the information I have received from Police Scotland, was an error in one case. It was a failure to disclose and not a reflection on data recording systems. The information was there on the criminal history record. But I hope I have conveyed in the strongest possible terms the assurances that I have received from Police Scotland on this very important matter.